Hello loves, welcome back. Today we're gonna do a super easy vampire makeup look. So let's get started. So I started by using the Jaclyn Hill palette with MORPHE and taking that orangey shade and applying to my crease as my transition color. And I'll be taking this reddish darker shade and I'll also apply it to my crease. This is going to be the transition between the orangey and the black. I'm going to apply it later into my lid. Because we're using a very dark shade, we have to make sure that we really blend the color. At the end it's gonna look more reddish than orange, the transition color, but that's what we want. Now taking the Modern Renaissance palette by ANASTASIA and taking the red ochre color and also apply it to our crease. We really want that crease to be dark for when we apply our black shade, which I'm taking the one from the Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm just patted it into the lid. Taking a small blending brush, I'm just going to apply the red ochre color to blend those two colors. Taking again the black shade, we're just going to re-intensify the black. Even though I want it to look a little bit more messy, I'm gonna take a makeup wipe remover and just sharpen the outer edges. Now taking this light shimmering color, I'm just going to apply it to my brow bone because I still want to glow. For my primer, I'm going to take the Maybelline Baby Skin and apply it to my face with this e.l.f. brush. Now I'll be taking the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation in the lightest shade I have, which is 110 Porcelain. I'm also applying it to my neck and chest so I don't look too weird. Now taking the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and I'm going to apply it under my eyes, my chin, the bridge of my nose, and also my forehead. Now I'll be applying the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the color 05 Fair. taking the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I'm gonna apply the cool tone contour color and using a fan brush to really make it sharp. And taking the Morphe highlight and contour sponge to really carve it out. I'm also gonna contour my jawline because we don't want to see my double chin, so yeah. I'll be taking a really fine eyeshadow blending brush and applying a gray eyeshadow because I really want it to look very sharp and kind of dead. And don't forget to contour your nose because with this light foundation you can't even see it. Now I'm applying a light, almost white highlighter. You can't even see it, but I could see it and it's gonna look pretty. And now I'm gonna brush off the bake. I really want my cheekbones to really look very gaunt like, so I'm gonna go over with the gray eyeshadow and re-intensify it, and also my jawline because I could see my double chin. Now taking the white highlighter and applying to my nose. Now for my lower lash line, I'm gonna apply the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette using the red ochre color, and with a fluffy brush just applying it because I really want it to look very smoky. Then I'm gonna take a smaller brush and take the black and really intensify it. Now I'm gonna take a large blending brush and take that reddish dark shade we used in one of the colors for the crease. I'm just applying a little bit under my eyes because I want them to look bruised, because now we're gonna do the veins. So I'm taking a really small brush. I wished I have used some kind of face paint, but I just took the dark reddish shades and just wet my brush and tried to make the veins, and I'm using a very fine eyeliner brush. For my lipstick, I'm taking the Morphe liquid lipstick in Nibble and applying it first to my lips. And now I'm just applying a little bit of the Jeffree Star Velour liquid lipstick in Unicorn Blood. Now this is optional, but you can add a little bit of blood on the corner of your lips so it looks like you just ate someone. And we're done with this super easy last minute vampire makeup look. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like this video, also subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell so you get notified when I upload a video, and comment down below what other types of videos you want to see. You could also follow me on my other social medias, which I always leave right here. You could also follow me on my vlog channel for more content if you want to see a little bit more of me. I love you love so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!